Hi guys, and thanks again so much for clicking on this video. If you like the topic of this video, could you please remember to give me a thumbs up? And if you completed this video and was happy with it, please also remember to give me a thumbs up. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about cannabis oil, but CBD oil and cbda oil. So cannabis oil is known to be illegal, but I am going to be reviewing a substance that comes from cannabis oil which is legal. So cannabis oil is known for making people feel a bit like that. So this is a form of the cannabis plant. It's extracted from the cannabis plant, but they haven't extracted the form that makes you feel high, or they have and they've removed it from the CBD oil, which is why it is legal. So I am going to be talking about the Love CBD oil brand, and it's a Dutch brand, and it states the cannabis food supplement, which is in 300 mg. It says CBD and cbda oil. So CBD oil is known for helping manage anxiety, depression, insomnia, social anxiety, pain relief. It's really good if you have arthritis. And what the CBD oil does, it helps with hormones in your body. It helps with hormone regulation, and our brains produce something called serotonin, which is like a happy hormone in our brain, and the CBD oil is known to help that feeling or hormone last a lot longer. That hormone is usually there when we feel happy and giddy and confident and everything's just going well and our bodies just intertwine with each other, our organs intertwine, everything's just flowing amazing. But our bodies are known for kind of feeling down and drowsy, and sometimes they do feel like that, and we just don't know why. Sometimes sometimes nothing's wrong, but we just feel down. But it could be down to so much factors like food, what we eat, the pollution, free radicals, our subconscious mind, anything. So CBD oil is really good for some of those things. As I said, insomnia, if you have trouble sleeping, if you have trouble being in crowds, being in places with lots of people, CBD oil is definitely really good for you. Another thing that is good, I was using is ashwagandha and reishi. They're really good for depression and anxiety and just helping relax your muscles. But the reason why I am loving the CBD oil and the reason why I purchased it is because it's so super easy, and there's so much things about CBD oil that we do not know. So apparently the CBD oil cellular plant structure is very similar to our body's structure, to the genetic pheno that the body makes up. So if you look at a human cell under a microscope, apparently it looks very similar to the cannabis plant. That's why when we take CBD oil, it helps, it works with our body so well, because the cellular structure of it is so similarly identical to our bodies. It's amazing. So I think that's one of the reasons why it works with our bodies so well. So this one that I have purchased is 300 mg, as I said. It has cannabis extract and olive oil. If it just had the full cannabis extract, it would be way too strong, so they need to add a carrier oil with this, which they added a little bit of olive oil. It says shake well before use, which I do. It's $22.99 for 300 mg and 20 ml, which I think is okay. So if you was going to purchase 1000 mg, it would cost you about 50 something pounds. So that's the kind of price range we're looking at. So I'm going to tell you about the dosage. Because of the dosage, it says take 1 spray daily for 3 days. If needed, slowly build up to a maximum of 3 sprays taken 3 times a day. So if I take this 3 sprays 1 time a day, remember for the first 3 days you take 1 spray 3 times a day, that would give me 369, 900 mg for the whole day. But it says after the 3 days you can take a maximum of 3 sprays 3 times a day. that will give me a maximum of 2,700 mg for that day. 2,700 mg for that day. So if you purchase one that is a maximum of 300 mg, you probably will be instructed to not take as much. So if you've purchased 1,000 mg, you're probably instructed to take this once a day, maybe 3 sprays once a day, or maybe twice a day, maybe 1 spray a day. So don't always think you need to get a higher mg. Don't always feel like you have to get a higher dosage of something, because if this was a lower dosage, I'm sure it will tell you to take less. So as I said, it cost me $22.99, and I've only taken 1 spray 3 times a day, and I've noticed a complete difference. My sleep has been amazing. I haven't woke up in the middle of the night. I feel so much more relaxed. My muscles feel so much more relaxed. I feel like I can speak better. I feel more confident. I feel amazing. So that's how I'm gonna put it, because that's how I feel. That's how it's made me feel. And I've noticed how I was feeling before taking this CBD oil, and I've noticed how I feel after taking the CBD oil, and I have noticed a significant difference. So I definitely would recommend this. Another reason why I recommend this, because it comes in a spray form like my vitamin D spray, which is just so convenient. Like when you're out, when you're on the move, when you're on the go, when you're busy, when you have things to do and you don't have time to get a cup of water and a tablet and open the tablet and drink it down, like we don't have time for that. And on top of that, you don't really want people knowing your business, like what you're taking. Like, oh, what are you taking? Oh, I'm taking so and so and so and so. Okay, I want to take that too, and the person doesn't even know anything about it. They don't know if it's good for you, for them, you know. So definitely I think it's great, because you can just open it, spray it on your tongue, and you're off. Another thing is you don't need to take these things with food. Like usually when you take the sprays, they absorb right into the glands and they get into the bloodstream so much easier. You don't have to take it as a tablet. Your body doesn't have to break it down. It's not being exposed to acids that are used to break down the food. It's so convenient. They're a bit more pricier taking sprays, but they're definitely worth it, and I definitely would recommend CBD oil, because I've only been using it for about 4 days now, and I've noticed a significant difference. Like my sleep is so much better. I feel less anxiety. I feel less social anxiety. I wasn't feeling like depressed or anything anyway, but I just have like a happy hormone where I'm just like, I feel amazing. I feel amazing. I feel amazing. So I definitely would recommend this. So yeah, it's by the brand Love CBD. It's a Dutch brand. Let me just see how long I've been talking. It's a Dutch brand, and it's a form of cannabis. It comes from the cannabis plant, but they have extracted the substance that makes you feel high, as I said. So it is illegal. You know, you can purchase this. I purchased this in my local health store, so it's fine, it's safe. And it comes in a lot of different forms. You can get it in a balm, like for pain relief, and the balm I was going to get for like period pains, but I may get that in the near future. So I'm really loving this CBD oil. You know, it's great. It's been working well for me, and it's worked so fast and so quickly. And I think one of the reasons why is because it's got into my bloodstream a lot quicker, because it's a spray form, and I just think it's really good. And I think I told you get 20 ml, and because I'm going to use it like 3 times a day, I think this is going to last forever. I'm really loving this CBD oil. I'm definitely going to put the information in the description below, and as I said, it's good for anxiety, it's good for depression, it's good for cardiovascular health, it's also good for acne. Apparently, just do some research, but apparently like a load of people said that they use CBD oil for their skin and for their acne, and it like helped them and it cleared it up, and not just from the outside but from the inside. And I know you can use CBD oil on your skin. This one doesn't really say you can use it on your skin, but if you can take it internally, you can use it on your skin. It is quite strong. I mean, it's strong because I have had hemp oil before, which is another form of the cannabis plant, and I use the hemp oil for cooking and sprinkling on my salads, and it it does very much taste like hemp oil, but it has a stronger taste. It's a bit more potent and it has a burning kind of sensation. So that's the way to know that it's CBD oil. It's a lot stronger and you feel that burning sensation. I think that's amazing because you can tell that it differentiates from hemp oil, and you can tell that it contains CBD and CBDA oil, and I feel the difference already. And well, you know, yeah, I knew I would feel the difference, but maybe not so quick, but I felt the difference. So this is definitely amazing if you're suffering from any kind of social anxiety or anything. I definitely would recommend this. So it helps our bodies to just be back in tune with itself. It helps our organs to be in tune. It helps relax us, and when our body and our muscles are relaxed, so much things are less noticeable, like the unimportant things, and our bodies are a lot more relaxed. We feel much more confident, we feel amazing, we can get on with our life so much better, we can do more, we can manifest better. So I definitely would recommend this CBD oil. So that completes my video, guys. Thanks again so much for watching. If you want any more information about my CBD oil, I'll put it in the link below. Well, not the link below, I'll put it in the description below. But if you want any more information, just remember to comment and I'll always be there to reply. Thanks again for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.